A very good morning, class 4. How are you all? I hope you all would be fine. Today we are going to discuss all the important concepts of our second chapter, that is addition and subtraction, right? Okay. So now let's start. You can see on the board I am writing few points which start from the addition. What is addition? The process of calculating the total of two or more numbers is known as addition. It is signified by the plus sign. There are few other names of addition also, that is more than, together, combine, total, sum, altogether, and increased by. Okay, so there are few terms also which are used in addition. The first term is addends. What are addends? The numbers being added are called addends. The second thing is sum. The answer of addition is called sum. You can also call it as total also, or together, combine, or altogether, or whatever you can say. But mainly we can use sum is the answer of addition. Always keep two things in your mind. The first is, when we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. And the second thing is, number can be added in any order. The sum remains the same. You can add number in any order, sum remains always the same. It will not change. Okay. So you can also see on the board that I explained you with the example what are addends and what is sum. Okay. So children, now what is addition, addend and sum, everything is clear. So next point is subtraction. What is subtraction? The procedure of taking a number from another number is known as subtraction. It is signified by the minus sign. Okay. You can simply say that taking a number from one number to subtract another number is known as subtraction. There are few other names of subtraction also, that is less than, minus, less, fewer than, take away, difference, and decrease by. Okay. Like the addition, it is also having few other names which are used in place of subtraction. There are few important parts of subtraction also. Minute. The number from which a number is subtracted is called the minute. You can see on the board also. There is an example given to you. 10,429 is the minute, right? And after that there is subtrahend also and difference also. What is subtrahend? The number to be subtracted is called the subtrahend, and what is the difference? The answer of subtraction is called the difference, right? Always keep in your mind that the subtrahend and the difference gives the minute, means subtrahend plus difference equals to minute. We can check our difference or we can check our answer in subtraction with the help of this equation. Okay. So now see on the board, we are going to discuss how we can solve the addition through regrouping or without regrouping. Place values are there, and the number is 75,872 and the other number is 84,126. After adding them, we are having answer, or the total of these numbers is 1,59,998. In this example you can see that there is no carry forward on any number. Okay. So what is without regrouping? When there is no carrying forward on any place value, it is called without regrouping. And on the other side, you can also see the addition with regrouping, right? There are place value also. Everything is given to you. The number is 96,453 and the next number is 74,592. So start adding. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. We write 1's place over here 4 and the 1 will be carrying forward on to the 100th place, that is 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. Again we can write 0 over here and carrying 1 forward to the 1000th place. After adding that 1 plus 6 plus 4, that is 11. We can put 1 over here and another one carrying forward to the 10,000 place and adding them. 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 17. So the answer will be 1,71,045. So children, now you understand what is regrouping and what is addition without regrouping and with regrouping. In simply we can say that regrouping is referred to as the carrying forward in addition. When we do the regrouping, we use regrouping in addition when the sum of two digits in the place value column is greater than 9. Always keep in your mind that we use regrouping in addition when the sum of two digits in the place value column is greater than 9. Now subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. Like addition, I also discussed the subtraction. You can see on the board. First, on the left hand side, I am giving you an example without regrouping, and on the right hand side I am giving you the example with regrouping. So without regrouping, first place values are there. Number is 95,645 and the number to be subtracted, that is subtrahend, is 23,521. Start subtracting. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So you can see that we are not borrowing any number on any place value, right? So that type of subtraction is known as without regrouping. Now on the right hand side there is with regrouping. Place values are there and the number is 73,263. What is that? That is minute. Okay, and the subtrahend is 43,625. Now start subtracting. We cannot subtract 5 from 3, that's why we carry 1 from the 10th place, that is 6. If we carry 1 from 10th to 1's place, that it will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now on 10th place there are, what is left over here? If we take 1 from here to the 1's place, what is left? 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Move to the 100th place. Then 2 minus 6, it is not possible because 2 is lesser than the 6. So we can carry 1 from the 1000 place, it will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. On 1000 place, what is left? 2 is left. We cannot subtract 3 from 2, right? So we can again borrowing one number from the 10,000 place to the 1000 place, it will become 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And what is left on the 10,000 place? 1 is taking out from the 10,000 place, that is 7 minus 1 is 6. What is left on the 10,000 place? 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 29,638. So children, now you understand that what is regrouping and subtraction. Regrouping and subtraction is borrowing the number in subtracting another number from one place to another place. Okay, when we borrowing the number, when on minute is lesser than the subtrahend, then we can take or we can borrow a number from the one place value column to another place value column. Okay, I hope it. So our next topic is addition and subtraction through estimation. I already discussed yesterday what is nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 in chapter 1, right? So I am giving you the example on the basis of nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. You can see on the board also. First take the example of nearest 10, 648 plus 541. We know that what we have to do if we want to rounding of the number to the nearest 10, we have to focus on the ones place value. If it is more than the 5 or equals to 5 but less than 10, it will become 0 and 1 will be added in the tens place. If the ones digit will is lesser than 5, what we have to do, we again put 0 on the ones place and other digits of the number remaining the same. So 648, 8 is bigger than the 5 but lesser than 10, so we convert the ones place into 0 and adding 1 to the tens place, that is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. The number will become 650. After that we convert or rounded of the 541 to the nearest 10. 1 is less than 5, so again we convert 1 into the 0 and other digits remaining the same as I told you, so the number will become 540. Instead of adding 648 plus 541, we are going to add 650 plus 540 and we will get the answer 1190. It is the rounded or nearest 10 answer of this addition. Okay, now take another example, nearest 100. The number is 1269 plus 2346. In nearest 100, we can focus on the tens place. If it is more than 5, then tens and 1 place will become 0 and 1 will be added to the 100 place. If it is less than 5, then tens and ones place will become 0 and 100 and 1000 place or other digits remaining the same. So 1269, 6 is more than 5. So what we have to do, we can convert it into tens and 1 place into 0 and adding 1 to the 100 place, that is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the number will become 1300. In the next number 2346, on tens place 4 is less than 5. What we have to do, we can again convert tens and 1 place into 0 and other digits remaining the same because 4 is less than 5. So the number will become 2300. Instead of adding 1269 plus 2346, we are going to add 1300 and 2300. The answer will become 3600. Now move to the another example which is related to the nearest 1000. So the example is related to nearest 1000. We are doing the subtraction over here. So the number is 33,421 minus 12,940. Again we are going to round it off to it to the nearest 1000, and for rounding off to the nearest 1000 we have to focus on the 100 place. If it is more than 5 or less than 10, we can convert it into the we can convert the 100 tens and 100 tens and 1 place into 0, and other 1 will be added to the 1000 place. If it is less than 5, then 100 tens and 1's place will become 0, and other digits and other places will remain the same. So 33,421 on 100 place 4 is there, which is less than 5. What we have to do? We can convert 100 tens and 1's place, that is 421 into 0, and 30,000 place and 10,000 place will remain the same. So the number will become 33,000. In next number 12,940 on 100 place, 9 is over here. It is more than 5. So we can again convert 940 into 0, and 1 will be added to the 2, which is on 1000 place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the number will become 13,000. In place of subtracting 33,421, we are if we are going to subtract 12,940 from 33,421, in place of it we are subtracting 13,000 from 33,000. We will get the answer 20,000, which is nearest 1000 answer of this subtraction. I hope everything is clear related to this estimation. Your all the important concept related to this chapter will be covered. Okay, if you find anything which is not clear to you all, you can feel free to ask. Okay, thank you.